With the trade plan feature in your Edgewonk trading journal, you can plan your trades before you enter them. This will help you improve your process. It will also help you improve and speed up the data entry in Edgewonk. So go to the trade plans tab once you have identified a potential trade idea. And if the trade hasn't been triggered yet, but you want to already type in the trading plan, you click on the green button here. Then a new pop-up window will open for your trading plan. You just enter all the data. You can also select a screenshot or paste directly your TradingView URL here. You can use your custom statistics and also write your trading plan here as a personal note. Once you have done that, you can click on Save. And now your trading plan is set here. So if the trade gets triggered or if you maybe missed the trade, then you can right-click on this entry and you see that you can either move it to the journal or you can move it to the missed trades. If you move it to the journal, your regular trading journal pop-up will open up. You just can complete your data input. You can also, what I would recommend is if you go to advanced trade data, you can set up a trading entry comment so that you can track whether your trade was in the trade plan or not. This is very helpful later on if you enter your trades in a trading plan and you want to make sure that you only take trades that have been planned for in advance. Set up an entry comment in your settings and you can track later on if or how disciplined you are overall, if you take trades that aren't in your trading plan or if you generally take only trades that you have planned for first. Then you can click Save. The trade has moved from the trade plan now to the journal area. Here it is, the Euro US dollar. When we click on it, the window will open up and your data input is here. You can complete the data input and just enter it like a regular trade in your trading journal.